Hi everyone, welcome to our channel CodeBeyondDegree. Today we will create header and footer for our website. Let's move to our dashboard page. For that, go to Divi, Theme Builder. Here we will create global header and global footer. Add global header, build global header, start building. Now go to wireframe. Here we have logo and menu section. Now we'll select row, which has two columns. The header section should be smaller and menu section should be bigger. Here we'll search for image and insert logo in this section. Uploaded file. In design section, we'll decrease the size of logo. 35% will be great. Now we have extract spacing. So go to setting, section setting, spacing, padding should be 0, padding top and bottom should be 0. Our spacing has been removed. Now we will create menu. Here we have default menu. We'll save this page and now go to dashboard to create a menu. In our menu, we have home, about us, and contact us page. Now we will move to our dashboard and create those pages. Page, all pages. We have default pages, we will delete those. Move to trash, apply, add new page. Now first we will create home page. Our title will be home. Click on publish. Our home page has been created. Add new page. Now we have to create about us page. Our title will be about us. Publish. Again, add new page. Now we will create contact us page. Our title will be contact us. Publish. Now we will visit our page. View page. Our default page look like this. Now we will create menu. For that we have to move to dashboard. Pages, all pages. We have 3 pages now: home, about us, and contact us. Now we'll create menu. Appearances, menu, menu name will be main menu. Click on create menu. Our menu has been created. Now we'll add our created page to the menu. Select all of the pages which you want to add to our menu and click to add menu. Here we can manage our pages. First we will place home page, after that about us, and then contact us. Now we'll save menu. Go to our header section, setting. Our created menu is not showing. We have to reload our page. save and reload. Restore, edit icon. Now we can see our created menu has been showing. Here we can see our pages has been showing, but on categorized pages is also showing. This page is showing because we haven't set display location for the menu. Now we will select primary menu display location and save menu. Go to our header, refresh. Here we can see home, about us and contact us. On categorized page has been removed. Now go to setting, design. Now we will change the color of menu and place menu at the left side. We will use color which has been used in our logo. Those color will be the color theme of our website. For that, go to Chrome, search for color picker extension, color pick eyedropper. Add to Chrome, add extension. Extension has been added to our Chrome browser. Now we will select color which has been used in our logo. Color picker, select the color, copy the color code, add, paste and OK. We have added yellow color. In same way, we will add black color. We have placed those two color in a global section so that we can use those color in our whole website. We don't have to pick those color again and again. Font width, semi-bold, menu text color, black, menu text size. I think 14 is okay. Now we will align our menu in right side, design, menu text, text alignment, right side. Here our header section has been completed. We have created logo and menu. Now we will save header and move to dashboard to create our global footer. Add global footer, build global footer. Here we will create our footer. In footer section, we have 4 columns. Now here we will select 4 columns with equal size. In first column we have image and paragraph. Search for image. Now here we will place logo, upload an image. Now we will decrease the size of logo. I think 50% will be better. Now we will add paragraph. Search for text. Here we will place a short description. In second column, we have important links. We will search for heading, change the text, important link. Now I'll move to the design section. Heading font width, semi-bold. Heading text size 22 px and color will be yellow. Text color. Now we will place links. For that we will search for text, remove all of them. We have home, about us and contact us link. We'll type here home, about us and contact us. Now we'll place link in all of the text. Visit our website, go to home, copy the link, click on link icon, URL will paste. Okay, now our home page becomes clickable. Now we will do same for about us and contact us page. About us, link icon, paste the URL. Okay, now contact us, copy the URL, select contact us and Control V. You can see the URL have link. This is the short way to install the link. Now the text become link, but the links are in blue color. It is not looking so good. So we will change our link color from blue to black. Okay. Now our third column have contact us. We will copy this heading and drop into third column. Change the text to contact us. Now we'll search for text. Remove all of the content. And we have to place phone number and address here. We'll place demo phone number and place demo address here. Okay. Now in our fourth column, there is social media icons. We'll again copy our heading and drop to the fourth column. Change the text. Social media. Now we'll search for social media follow. Here we will get social media icons, Facebook, Twitter. Now we will add on Instagram. Now in Facebook icon, we'll place link, search for our profile, Facebook profile link, copy the Facebook profile link and paste it. Paste in account link URL. Now our Facebook have link. We'll do same for Twitter and Instagram. Search for Twitter profile link. Copy, paste. Now we'll place Instagram profile link. Copy the link and paste here. Now our icon have link. The text is too much big, so it is not looking so good. So I have reduced the text size. Now at last, we will create copyright section. It have one column, so we'll select one column, search for text, paste the text which we have copied. Now we'll remove the spacing and spacing 0px 0px. Top and bottom padding has been removed. Now we'll give back background, visual background yellow. Now our text is not visible, so we'll move to the design section. Text color will be black. And text font width will be semi-bold. Now our text is visible. Our footer section has been completed. Save our footer section. Will not create global body. If we create global body, then in every page we will see same header footer with same body content. Now we will save. Visit our website. Here you can see header and footer. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon in next video. Please like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon for further notification. Till then, keep motivated, keep learning.